Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the track app and URL setting, which is available on the side menu under settings, and under the timer app there comes track apps and URL. It controls whether the name of the apps used and the URL visited are to be tracked with the desktop application that is installed inside the user's PC. Now, if you wish to do a global setting and that can be reflected in a one go for all of the members inside the organization, which can be done from the section here. The individual settings against each member name can be done from here. Let's look on the features one by one. If you turn off the track and URL feature, then the desktop application is not going to record any of the apps and URL visited. If you want only the app to be tracked, you can just click here. If you want only URLs to get tracked, you can click here. If you want both apps and URL to be tracked, then you can click here. Once the setting is done, the reflection of this setting can be seen inside the activity section in the side menu under apps and URL. There you can see the data coming up of the respective desktop application against each user's name. This was all about the track and app URL setting. Thank you.